Hello guys, today we're gonna review my Ionic hair dryer. At first, when I received this box, I was surprised. It looks so nice. It could be perfect gift for Mother's Day or Thanksgiving Day or even a Christmas. I like this professional brush for your hair because it could help you to style your hair, which we're gonna do later. Also, if you have a curly hair, not like mine, straight, you can use diffuser. Or if you wanna try a different hairstyle, you can use this brush. It's not heavy, comfortable in my hand. It has 3 positions of cold, hot and very hot air. Cool down a little bit. Let's check it out. What I can say, this is perfect blow dryer. Buy, try and like.